I'm going to be flying up to Waco to go visit my brother. We're actually going to go to the shooting range for a little bit. Here in Texas, we love to shoot, so a little bit later, maybe I'll show you a little bit of the shooting when we get there. Currently, I'm driving to Lago Vista Airport. I'm on 1431, and beautiful day right now. So I'm looking forward to it. It's a little windier than I want it to be. My wife actually was going to come, but I told her it wouldn't be a pleasant flight for her, especially her first time back. I'll give you a little bit more context of that. Maybe later on in the video, during the flight on my way to Waco. Let's just say we've had an airplane accident before. April 10th, 2016 was the last time she flew with me because of that accident that we had. And I promised myself that I would get my IFR rating before she came back into the airplane. Got my IFR rating about 3 months ago. Haven't had the opportunity to take her up. She wanted to go today, but I said let's just do it maybe another day when it's not so windy as your first time back. She's a little bit nervous. She's a nervous flyer, so I want it to be pleasant for her. So maybe I'll take her on a morning flight or something. But I'll give you a little bit more of the story later on. Talk to you soon. Hanging out with my brother in Waco. We're about to go do some shooting and some barbecue. It apparently says this is the best barbecue in Waco, so we're gonna find out.
Best barbecue in Waco. Best barbecue in Waco is in Clifton. That's Bunkhouse. This one is about halfway there.
Okay, so this is the halfway there best barbecue in Waco. So we're gonna go get some Waco half best barbecue, and then we're gonna shoot some guns, and then I'm gonna head back to Lago Vista. Catch you then. Okay, so we got to Axel Barbecue, and we're eating a sliced brisket sandwich, and it's pretty good so far. A little bit of a Dr. Pepper. Getting some of this good barbecue sauce in there. Man, I'm pretty excited. Hello, everyone. We are here at Waco Regional, that's KSAT, and I just did some shooting with my brother, and about to go back home to Lago Vista. Well, my home is in Cedar Park, Texas, but I'm about to fly back to Lago Vista. So putting that into our flight plan here, and getting that down as well, and my secondary, so I can calculate the vertical speed. Garmin 430 has a pretty a cool mode that helps you to do that, calculate that, so I know when I want to descend. So I'm doing that. So like always, before we go, we're going to get the weather here at KCT, and just to help me out with some of the information, LYW, let's reverse that. We're doing something a little bit different. So I'm going to listen to my 80s 1, 2, 3, 8, 5 here. Oh, sorry, selected.
Temperature tree 4, 2.19er, altimeter 29990. Visual approach 199er in use. Simultaneous instrument and visual approaches are being conducted to converging runways. Notice to airmen, due to limited radar capabilities, no practice approaches are authorized. Advise on initial contact to Mike.
Mike.
Waco Regional Airport information, Mike 22510 Zulu. Wind at 16010, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature tree 4, 2.19er, altimeter 29990. Visual approach runway 19 in use. Simultaneous instrument and visual approaches are being conducted to converging runways. Notice to airmen, due to limited radar capabilities, no practice approaches are authorized. Advise on initial contact to Mike.
Waco ground, Sierra 62 Charlie Hotel.
Sierra 62 Charlie Hotel?
Affirmative, Sierra 62 Charlie Hotel.
Sierra 62 Charlie Hotel, Waco ground.
Waco ground 62 Charlie Hotel. We have Mike. I would like to head out to Lago Vista. That's Kilo Romeo Yankee Whiskey at 4,500.
Envoy 3592, turn left taxiway Alpha 4, taxi parking via Alpha maintenance frequency. Sierra 2 Charlie Hotel, say cruising altitude.
Cruising at 4,500, 60 Charlie Hotel.
Sierra 2 Charlie Hotel, roger, expect departure information on taxi.
Would expect departure information on taxi 60 Charlie Hotel, thanks.
Sierra 2 Charlie Hotel, runway 19 taxi via Alpha, give way to the regional jets, just exiting Alpha 4, maybe hold short of the yellow line on the non-moving area out of Texas Aero.
Roger, we'll look out for that taxi in traffic and taxi via Alpha to runway 19, 60 Charlie Hotel.
Cessna 519er, November Delta, runway 19er, cleared to land, wind 17010. Sierra 2 Charlie Hotel, departure frequency 126.12, spark 0525.
0525 and departure frequency 126.12, 62 Charlie Hotel, thanks.
Sierra 2 Charlie Hotel, you said you have Mike?
Affirmative, we have Mike, 62 Charlie Hotel.
Roger.
Alright, so I'm pretty sure you guys have probably noticed. I'm pretty proud of this, but we're always learning as pilots, and I've learned this over the last few times that I flew. Affirmative and Roger are two very different things. And you want to obviously learn to use them properly so that when you're communicating with air traffic controller or another pilot, either on the air or the ground, that you acknowledge exactly what, or you answer properly. So, recently I've just been doing lots of Rogers. Roger for everything, but affirmative is essentially if you're answering a question with yes, then you want to use affirmative. You want to just acknowledge and say something like, okay, I understand. Then you use Roger. So that is something that I've cleaned up over the past few months, and I'm going to continue to learn how to use it properly. So be sure to take note. Waco ground, Sierra 2 Charlie Hotel, taxiing out to runway 19. We're going to need a run-up before we depart.
Sierra 62 Charlie Hotel, roger. Approved at the end of Alpha there.
All right, we'll do our run-up at the end of Alpha 62 Charlie Hotel. Final flow, brake, seat belts, mixture, boost pump, flaps 50. My altimeter was set. I'm going to hold short, and hold short as was told long ago, well 260 hours ago by my flight instructor. Hold short is you're holding short, looking at the entry end of the active runway. So I'm going to call him up and let him know I'm holding short. Waco Tower, Sierra 62 Charlie Hotel, holding short runway 19, ready for departure.
Sierra 2 Charlie Hotel, hold short runway 19, landing traffic.
Holding short runway 19, landing traffic, 62 Charlie Hotel. So there's the traffic landing, and essentially when he says hold short landing traffic, it means that don't go anywhere, dude. There's somebody's actually on the approach to runway 19. So I'm just going to hang out and wait. Waco Tower, Sierra 62 Charlie Hotel, holding short runway 19, ready to go.
Sierra 62 Charlie Hotel, hold short, expect release time in 1 minute, got short final traffic for 14.
Roger, 62 Charlie Hotel, hold short, expect release time 1 minute, 62 Charlie Hotel.
Sorry for the delay.
No problem, not in a rush, just wanted to make sure that you still have me on your radar.
Skyhawk, 9er November Delta, turn left at Bravo 1, taxi via Bravo Charlie, hold short runway 19er.
Alright, Bravo 1, Bravo Charlie, hold short 19, 519 November Delta.
Sierra 62 Charlie Hotel, runway 19er clear for takeoff, 115011.
19 clear for takeoff, 62 Charlie Hotel, thanks. Airspeed alive, instruments are green, looking for 70. Get back on that, center line there. X to 7, 70, and rotate slowly. And above 85, flaps up.
Sierra 2 Charlie Hotel, left downwind departure approved.
Left downwind departure approved, 62 Charlie Hotel.
Charlie Hotel, contact departure, have a good day.
Over to departure, 62 Charlie Hotel, thanks. Waco departure, Sierra 62 Charlie Hotel, 1,100 climbing to 4,500.
Sierra 62 Charlie Hotel, Waco departure, radar contact, maintain VFR, resume on navigation.
Maintain VFR and resume on navigation, 62 Charlie Hotel. Alright, so we're now climbing, so remember I'm going to go to the checklist, climb power is set, flaps are verified up, mixture, I'm going to verify once I do a little bit more climbing here, and then fuel pump is off. Checklist complete. Next checklist is going to be cruise. I'm going to go to maps for situational awareness right now. I'm VFR, so it is up to me. Engine instruments look pretty good. Got that glare and the sun. My My CHT is right now about 358. A little higher than I've seen them, but it's a pretty warm day. I'm gonna lower the nose a little bit, just cool it down a tad bit. I've heard of people going a lot higher than that, but we don't want to do that. Cold temperature is 207 right now. Nose down a tad bit more, 500 feet per minute is good. Just get me back in the comfort zone here. Just gonna pull back my power. We're just gonna do a slow climb up here.
November 62 Charlie Hotel, contact Gray approach 134.35, good day.
3435, 62 Charlie Hotel. Gray approach 62 Charlie Hotel, climbing 3,400 up to 4,500.
November 62 Charlie Hotel, Gray approach, gray altimeter is 29903.
29903, 62 Charlie Hotel. Alright, so I'm going to turn a little bit to the east here, east-southeast, just to avoid a military restricted area. That's right in front of me. I don't want to clip it, so I'm going to help these guys out and just go ahead and turn right now. Since I'm on VFR, I can do that. Might be a little bit too much there, but... Alright, about 100 to go for my 4,500 here. My temperatures are coming back down pretty normal right now. Oil is still over 200, but that's fine. Once I nose down for cruise here, we'll probably get that come back down a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to bring my power back to about 65 or 65% here. I do that slow in this plane because the Avidyne is a little slow to catch up sometimes. So,
4869 Lima, roger, frequency change.
I normally have to just kind of do it pretty slow. Then I start bringing my mixture back. I usually do a pretty good pull on that mixture because I don't like to park it in what they call the danger zone. And that's from the red fin method that I got that from, even though I still use my lean assist. And I don't pull it back too fast to where I get that little roughness. I don't really like that feeling, so.
November 2 Charlie Hotel, traffic 12 o'clock, 7 miles opposite direction. Altitude indicates 2,900, appears to be in a slow climb VFR.
Roger, we'll be looking out for that traffic. It's pretty hazy out here, so I'm not able to see him right now, but I'll keep an eye for him. 60 Charlie Hotel. Once I get here, I usually kind of go. So let me go up to my checklist. Fuel pump is verified.
Charlie Hotel, I'd say probably come left, 5-10 degrees to the left. He's headed northwestbound, it appears.
Roger, I'm going to turn 10 degrees to the left, 62 Charlie Hotel. All right, cruise power.
Showing out at 3,300 now. With that small turn there, it looks like he'll pass behind him.
Roger, we're still looking, 62 Charlie Hotel. I'm going to keep my eyes out here so that I can look for that traffic because you're saying that it'll be pretty close, so I'll lean later, just fly and make sure that I don't hit anybody up here.
Charlie Hotel now, and you're 1 o'clock in 3 miles. Looks like he may have leveled off at 3,500. He is indicating 3,500.
Roger, still looking. I'm on 1 o'clock, 62 Charlie Hotel. Charlie Hotel has that traffic in sight. Currently no factor.
After that, you can zoom on navigation.
Zoom on navigation, 62 Charlie Hotel. All right, so we got that traffic in sight. Do a quick little turn back here just to get me back on course. All right, so my checklist, so he's passing off to my right there, mixture, and so I'm going back to my engine instruments here. All right, so you guys won't believe this. I departed
good day, American 1221.
Waco, told a whole bunch of stories.
American 1221 off departure radar contact. Climb and maintain.
Tried to verify the angle of my video on the GoPro, only to discover that the GoPro went off for some odd reason. Don't know why. I think we're back on. I don't know if you guys missed my story about the airplane accident. If you did, I didn't record. Quick summary. Had an airplane accident last April. My wife was in the airplane along with my sister-in-law. We were coming back from Louisiana.
American 1221, flighting 270.
Heard a loud bang, rattling. Looked down. My power went down to about 30%. Told air traffic controller. They told me I got an airport right behind me, so I essentially went towards the airport, and over Caldwell, Texas, the engine completely died. So we had to dead stick, basically dead stick land the airplane into Caldwell. I came in a little bit too fast and exited the runway at Caldwell and damaged the airplane, total airplane, that is. So this is my second airplane. The first one was an SR20, this is SR22. I did not pull the parachute because we were within parameters of not doing so, and so obviously I lived to tell the tale. And
hey, direct LOL, American 1221.
I've been trying to continue to learn, make sure that I understand the airplane, understand the engine interpretations.
Austin approach.
Ever since. So I'm thankful. My wife hasn't flown with me since then. My minimum to fly with her was to get my IFR. I did that a few months ago, and so she actually wanted to come today, but I said it was going to be a little bumpy. I don't want her first flight back to be bumpy. And then my brother and I were going to shoot some guns. So
good day,
I decided, maybe our next flight back will be an early morning or a late evening, so that we can enjoy it a little bit more, a little bit smoother. 8 miles, 20 nautical miles from KRYW Romeo Yankee Whiskey, that's Lago Vista. About 8 minutes at our current ground speed or true airspeed. I'm going to start my descent here in a little bit just so that I can set up for a left 45 downwind to runway 15 in Lago Vista.
Austin 40 Charlie, Austin approach day request. 40 Charlie, Roger, IDET.
I don't know how much of that video was recorded on my departure and
40 Charlie, radar contacts, 3 miles.
Everything else, so we'll see.
Of Giddings Airport,
Hopefully I have enough content to
and maintain VFR and procedures requested.
Post. And obviously I record these to continue to learn. So I go back and watch these videos and see sort of what I did, anything that I missed. Wind is 150 at Lago Vista. Nine or 5 on the altimeter. Got a traffic below me here, 1,100. And another one, 900 feet below me, so I'm going to go ahead and start listening to I got to do it on this here.
My name's a 3 Foxtrot Charlie, 10 miles to southwest, inbound, David Charles. Departure southwest 4091, is that of 2 for 4,000?
Plus 4091, Austin departure radar contact, let me maintain 12000, clear direct payday.
Up to 12000 and direct to payday, southwest 4091.
Austin approach 62 Charlie Hotel, we have Rusty Allen in sight, like to switch frequency.
62 Charlie Hotel, radar services terminus, clock VFR, frequency change approved, there's no traffic observed between you and the field.
Roger, 62 Charlie Hotel, change frequency approved, VFR, 62 Charlie Hotel. Said no traffic, but I saw a little bit of traffic. So my descent, so go to my descent checklist here. Next checklist, altimeter is set, landing lights, and fuel system. And I'm going to mixture a little bit. I don't want to throw in all my mixture. That's not good. Brake pressure checking, that feels good. Next checklist before landing. So go back to maps, situational awareness. Rusty Allen traffic, 062 Charlie Hotel, 8.4 miles to the north, inbound, 45, runway 15, full stop, Rusty Allen. So we got a little bit of traffic, 600 below me there. I'm going to pull my power quite a bit back. And I'm going to go ahead and just mixture full rich there, below 4,000. Gonna do a long base leg here. I want to just let people know I'm coming in. Rusty Island traffic, 062 Charlie Hotel, 5.6 miles to the north inbound. I'll do a long base leg to runway 15, full stop, Rusty Island. Is basically right down the runway at Rusty Island, so Rusty Island traffic, 062 Charlie Hotel, on a long base for runway 15, full stop, Rusty Island. Alright, so landing lights on. I'm back in control of the airplane. Check first flaps. Flaps. Rusty Island traffic, 062 Charlie Hotel. I'm along final for runway 15, full stop, Rusty Island. No more checklists. I gotta just do flows, making sure I am configured and stable for this approach. Traffic, 062 Charlie Hotel, exiting active for, yeah. Some air